Hello YouTubers, this is another video brought to you by Blemishes. In these videos, I'll be showing you how to clean all the blemishes or pimples on a model face using Photoshop. So to clean all the pimples or blemishes on your picture on Photoshop, you have to start with creating a new layer by pressing Ctrl J. Let's zoom out the picture. So you have to select our patch tool, come here or pressing J. So after you selected your patch tool, come to the place you want to remove the pimples or blemishes over the face and draw a circle like this. Then move the circle you drew to a clean surface. Let's do another one. Another one. Another one. So this is how we're going to do it. Draw a circle over the pimples. Can you see it? So I'm going from the smaller ones to the bigger ones. With this method, you can remove any type of blemishes. Can you see? So now this is our before and this is our after. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.